In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Balsamiq project efficiently and effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a newbie, this step-by-step guide will make the process as smooth as possible, taking you through every option so you can customize your export to suit your needs. First, we start by opening up your web browser and heading over to Balsamiq. Simply type Balsamiq into your search bar and hit Enter. From the search results, look for the one that either appears first or has the URL balsamiq.com to ensure you're going to the right place. Clicking this will take you to the official Balsamiq website. Once you're on the site, the next thing you need to do is find the Log In button. Typically, this will be on the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on Log In will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Here, you should input your usual Balsamiq login details, your username and password, and then click the Login button to access your projects. After you're successfully logged in, navigate to the main menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Project. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, where you should select Export. This section is where you have the flexibility to tailor your export based on what you need. When exporting, you can choose the scope of wireframes you want to export. Balsamiq gives you the option to export all the wireframes in your project, just the current wireframe you have open, or even a selected set of wireframes. This flexibility can be invaluable, especially if you're dealing with a large project and only need specific parts to share or review. Following that decision, you'll need to select the format in which you'd like your wireframes to be exported. You have a few choices here: PDF, PNG, or BMPR. Each format has its benefits. For instance, PDFs are great for universal sharing, PNGs for high-quality images, and BMPRs if you want to maintain editability for collaborators who also use Balsamiq. Beyond the basic settings, Balsamiq allows additional customization options to enhance your export. You can optimize your file for screen viewing, remove margins, shrink the wireframes to fit a page, and even include helpful linking hints. Furthermore, you have the option to add labels like wireframe names, page numbers, and notes, ensuring that whoever views your exports has all the context they need. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to exporting your projects using Balsamiq. Remember to take advantage of the available options to tailor the export to your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you in your design journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.